Hello, this is Daichi. So we talked about the tree function in Photoshop CC, and this is the last video about tree script. And this time I want to use path and action. As we talked, if you have a path, the tree followed the path shape. But what if you have a path from left to the right? Let's try. Something like this happens. Then I'm going to repeat the same process, but this time the path will be from right to the left. So now you have a pretty interesting texture here. You can use it as part of your design, maybe for titles or maybe for a frame. So this is one way to use the tree functions. Another way is a letter. So let's make a letter like so. I want to make it a little bigger. Then right click on the title of the text layer. You can click on create work path. Then you can make a path just like the letter you typed. Then make new layer and hide that letter. Then I'm going to run the tree script. So this is pretty interesting. So if you repeat this process, you can make something like this. So this might be interesting. Another technique I want to share is action. If you need to make many trees like this, you don't want to copy and paste same tree over and over. Then it's gonna be just like clipboard. Instead, you want each tree to be different from each other. Same type of trees, but different leaves and different branches. But if you run the tree script many times, it takes time. So why don't we use actions? So I made a new document. Then click on Window and Actions. Then Action panel opens up. Click this icon to start the actions. You can name the action if you want to. I'm going to make a new layer. Then run the tree script. I'm going to choose this tree, but you can choose any tree. And make sure you check randomize shapes. Then each tree will be different. Then click on OK. So I made one tree. I'm going to hide this layer. Then stop the action by clicking this square icon. So you just made 3 steps for the actions. I'm going to duplicate those actions. So click the first step, make layer, and push shift and click on the last one, hide current layer. Option and Command on Mac, Control Alt on PC. Hold these buttons. Drag those steps and drop right here. Then you just duplicated these steps. you can duplicate it again and duplicate it again, and repeat this step as many as you want. Then click on the action name. Then I'm going to run this action. So the action made 4 additional trees automatically. While action is running, you can take a break, or you can go to sleep, or you can take lunch. After you come back, it's done. So let's check. Same trees, but all trees are different from each other. You can just save this PSD file for your future project. Then when you need it, you can just copy and paste into your design. So these techniques, the ones I wanted to share. So please make sure to subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.